Welcome back to the 8 hour for our 30-day Python series. My name is Umi Asma, and today we are diving into built-in functions part 2. Okay, so this is an essential part of Python programming that makes our life so much easier. Okay, so if you are new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Built-in functions in Python. So Python comes with a rich set of built-in functions that help us perform various tasks without really needing extra code. So these functions are already available, so we can use them anytime here. Okay. So let's understand the mathematical built-in function. So here we have an absolute value. It returns the absolute value. Okay. Power function. So it has x and y coordinates. Returns x raised to power y. A round function x comma n. It returns x to n decimal places. And here we have a maximum function. It returns the largest value in an iterable. So let's perform this four functions in our Jupyter notebook. Is hashtag absolute function. Okay. So let's perform the operation. Print absolute minus 10. Okay, so whatever the commands, the numbers we give it in a negative, so that will be converted into a positive number. So this is your absolute functions. Now here we have a power function. Hashtag power function. So here we'll keep print of power, two axes, right? X and Y axis were there. So here I'll give it two numbers, 2 comma 3. Okay, let's run. So here we got the 8 as an output. So here, how did we get this? Here see 2 to the power of 3. Okay. So here we will multiply 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay. So the output is 8 here. Yes. So now let's perform the other function here. Hashtag round function. Enter. So here we'll print it. Print round 3.14159. Okay. So see, round function in Python programming, this is an inbuilt function as I told you. It is used to round off numbers up to the specified number of a decimal points. Okay. So here, comma 2. So here I am giving a that after the point I wanted 2 decimal points here. Okay. So you get it at 2 here. Now and enter. So here we got, when if I give it a 3, so here after a point you get a 3 decimal numbers. All right. So this is how it works. Yes. Now we look at the other functions, that is your maximum functions. Let's perform this operation. In the maximum functions, I'm just declaring a variable called numbers equals 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. Okay. Let me close this. Now here print max. This I'm giving a function maximum functions and I'm calling this variable name as numbers. All right. So it will display the maximum number, which is the highest number in the list. So it's a 50. All right. Now we have a minimum function. Minimum function, it returns the smallest value in an iterable. Sum function, it returns the sum of an iterable. Divmod function, it returns quotient and remainder. All right. So let's perform the three functions in our Jupyter notebook. Yeah, minimum function, hashtag minimum function. So here I'm giving a variable name as numbers. Okay, the same thing. Numbers equals. Here I will give 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. All right. Now here I'll print minimum function of numbers. Our variable name. The variable name is numbers. Okay, let's run. So here the minimum number in the list in the variable numbers is 10. Okay, so it helps us to display the minimum number here. In the this minimum function is used to compute the minimum of the value passed in the argument. Now let's perform the sum function here. Okay, hashtag sum, enter. So now it returns the sum of an iterable. All right. So I'm giving a x variable and I'm giving 10 comma 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Okay, enter. So now I'll print sum of x. So it's going to add it. Okay, so here we get a output as 100. Okay, 10 plus 30, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 40, it's 100. All right, so this is the output we got it here. Next, we have an other function called divmod functions. Hashtag, hashtag divmod function. So this divmod functions in Python, it takes two numbers and it returns a pair of numbers consisting of their quotient and remainder. So divmod is that when we have quotient and remainder. Okay. Yes, let's perform the operation here. Using a x and y coordinate. So I'll give it a print divmod 10 comma 3. All right, let's run. So here we got a 3 comma 1, the output. So that's it all about the mathematical inbuilt functions. So this saves the time and effort by performing operations quickly and efficiently. So this built-in function. Okay, so try using different built-in functions in your own code and comment below which one you found most useful. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python content. So see you in D9 where we are going to explore more built-in functions. All right. So until then, happy coding. Bye bye. Thank you.